Hola mi gente, welcome to my channel Mika Creates. I'm Mika. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Today I have a mukbang for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I have a snow crab mukbang, and I got these snow crabs from Smart and Final, and I'm not happy with them because they're kind of broken up. And anyway, I have some white rice and I have some butter sauce, and it's delicious. And so let's get into it. Lord, Father, we just thank you for this food, and I ask you, Father, to bless it, allow it to nourish our bodies, and take care of all the people that subscribe and that watch this channel, that you would just bless them abundantly. Amen. Let's get into it. Let me put my hair back because I feel like it's going to get messy. So, see, this is what I'm talking about. See that? That's no bueno. And then I've got a whole bunch of broken pieces, but it's all right. It's still going to go to the same place. All right, so I'm going to try really hard to eat this like the professionals, because you guys know that I could never eat this right. It takes me forever to eat this because I just don't know how to do it. You know what? Let me put this up here so you can see it. So you can see it more better. And then I've got my rice right here. Where's my lemon? I got me some limoncito right here. And I'm gonna, oh man. Now I did a little different today. I'm telling you that because I put the butter sauce in there. I steamed it, and then I drained out the water and then put the butter sauce in. Because I like to lick the outside. I love the butter sauce. That's what I live for. I do. Mmm. 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 So today's Friday, December 6th. And I want to give a special shout out to my brother. I'm not going to say his name because I don't know if he's okay with that. But to my brother, Big B. We'll call him Big B. He is 51 years old today. You're like, wow, Mika, you're going to put him on blast like that? Yes. Yes, boo, I sure am. I'll tell you why. You know what? I have to put my hair up, you guys. I'm going to have to come right back, and then I'll tell you why. Regrese. I'm back. Okay, so I'm talking about my brother. And I want to say happy birthday and a shout out to my brother, Big B, who's 51 years old today on December 6th. And I'm putting him on blast like that because my brother looks good for his age. Let me just tell you a little bit about this fella. When he used to be the love of my life growing up, he was terrible to me, but he used to be the love of my life. One time, my brother got into this serious accident and he almost died. And he was riding his BMX bike because that's what people used to do back in the day. We used to have a blue and white Volkswagen bus. And we used to live in LA at the time. And I think my brother was by Occidental College, if anybody knows where that is. Anyway, so my brother was riding bikes with his friends, and he went over this cliff and literally almost died. My mom went to go pick him up. She brought him home in the VW bus. They opened up the bus. My brother was covered with blood. And it was horrific. I literally thought I was going to die when I was a kid, because I wasn't going to have my brother anymore. I thought he was going to die, so I was going to die. And he used to drink and eat all my stuff. I used to get upset. He was a daredevil. Like, he was born a daredevil. He was born like Puerto Rican Evel Knievel. Oh, nothing in here. Did I eat this one already? The butter tastes good. I'm not even playing. He used to be like Puerto Rican Evel Knievel. And put some butter sauce on here with some onions. Yes. Yes. See that? Con cebollita with some onions. Yes. Puerto Rican Evel Knievel. If you don't know what Evel Knievel is, thank you for watching. That means that you're young. Better than I am. And he was a motorcycle stuntman. And he would do all these crazy jumps, like 18-wheelers, like stack up like 25 18-wheelers and jump over in Las Vegas most of the time. He was incredible. Evel Knievel. And so my brother was the same way. I think my brother broke every single bicycle that my dad bought him. And my brother wrecked my scooters. He wrecked my motorcycle. He wrecked his motorcycles. He wrecked my car. I mean, that boy loves speed. He's one of those guys that he'll do a wheelie on the freeway going like 80 miles an hour. I'm not saying it's smart, mi gente. I'm just saying. But I was a crazy girl that was riding in the back of the motorcycle with him while we're doing a wheelie. That's how smart I was. But I love the adrenaline rush. Anyway, that was when we were in high school. We were super close when we were in high school. Things changed. We grew apart. But nonetheless, he was my number one for a lot of years. Until I got old enough to date. You know what I mean? Anyway. So my brother, up to this day, still rides motorcycles, dirt bikes, goes hiking with his little boy all the time and his wife. He's got 3 strong, beautiful women as his daughters. Those girls are tough. Beautiful ladies, but tough girls. And so I called him this morning to wish him a happy birthday. And you know what he told me? He goes, Mika, remember? I used to love big wheels. I said, of course. And I have a story about that too. We used to live in Highland Park on Avenue 56. And I got his big wheel and I went down the hill. Now, this is not just a little hill. I mean, this hill is like this. No lie. If you live in LA, you know what I'm talking about. They're not like little hills. They're like you're afraid to park your car because you're afraid it's going to roll back if you're, you know, parked. If you're parked down, you're afraid to... I'm serious. It's like that. Anyway, so I decided that I was going to take his big wheel and ride it down the hill. But with my feet out. Use it as brakes. Almost got killed. Because that street was connected to a kind of like a major street. Thank God there was no cars. But I couldn't stop. I thought I was going to die. Anyway, going back to the story. So, mi hermano, which is my brother, I speak to him this morning. And he goes, you know, my love for big wheels, right? I said, yeah. He goes, now they have adult big wheels. And I bought one for my son. He goes, I'm going to send you a picture of it. And he sends me a picture of this adult big wheel and he's on it. He's a kid at heart. My point is that he looks a lot like my dad, which is crazy. He does certain things. His build is like my dad. It's really crazy. Yes, I'm so happy. Look what I got. So, Pepsi. I choked a little bit there. So anyway, so my brother is young at heart. So happy birthday, bro. I love you. May God bless you and give you many, many more years of healthy, happy life. Throw in some money while you're at it. I seriously love these little peppers. Love them. So I wanted to show you guys my Christmas tree. I was thinking that I should show you the before and the after, because I'm going to decorate it. So I believe it's 9-foot Christmas tree. It's fake, but it looks real. Growing up, I always had a real Christmas tree, and I loved it because when I walked inside the house, it smelled like what? Like Christmas, like pine. Every time I smell pine, I think of Christmas. I don't ever smell pine and not think of Christmas. Just saying. So, we never, from my recollection, we never, ever, ever had a fake tree. From my recollection. Maybe my brother and sister will tell you different. I don't ever remember having a fake tree. Anyway. So, when I got married, I sold my house. And I moved into my husband's house. And I moved counties. And, ooh, you know what? I think Elizabeth is right. I do scratch my nose a lot. Anyway. And so I moved my stuff in. And now it's Christmas time. And I'm thinking we're going to go buy a tree. He has a tree that his mama gave him, that they used to use. And it was a beautiful tree. But I wanted a real tree. I didn't want a fake tree. We ended up with the fake tree. And fake tree was really, really old. The one that my mother-in-law gave him. And so we ended up buying a fake one, another one. But I did have a real Christmas tree, married once. I don't know. I think everybody should have a real tree. But I like the fact, I have to admit, I like the fact that you don't have to water it. You don't get needles everywhere. So it means your house maintains clean. And I know that you can get that artificial scent stuff. Nothing like real. There's nothing like real pine. So I am going to try and vlog. You guys kind of know I suck at vlogging, but I'm going to really put some effort into it and see if I can pull it off. Especially because it's going to be in my house, so I have like a little bit more control. Because I've tried to vlog on my cell phone. I don't like the quality of it. I don't like the way it comes out. None of that stuff. I don't like it. So we'll see in a more controlled environment. And I'm going to use my camera. So have you guys, if you celebrate Christmas, Have you guys put up your Christmas tree yet? It's December 6th. Somebody's hot rods. It's December 6th. I typically like to put it up the weekend after Thanksgiving. But I was done. I was tired. I wasn't trying to do all that. And my husband definitely wasn't either. Can you believe my husband had the audacity to sit here and say, I didn't really want to put any decorations up. I'm like Mrs. Christmas, for real. You have lost your... Who does that? Who doesn't want to put up their Christmas lights? I know it's a lot of work, but man, you know when you come home from a long day's work and those Christmas lights are up, it just gives you that feeling of nostalgia, comfort, makes you feel cozy, like you want to be at home. I don't know. That's what it makes me feel like. I love coming home and all the lights are on and it looks beautiful. It just puts me in a... Not that I come home in a bad mood, because I'm a pretty up person. I'm a pretty up person naturally. But that really just... See that drip? Are you a natural person? Are you a natural tree person? Or are you by fake? Do you like those retro trees? Like back in the day, the silver ones, remember? If you're over 40, you know what I'm talking about. If you're under 40, and you know what I'm talking about, it's probably because you've seen it in the movie, huh? See, I'm not as fast as all these other folks. I'm just not. That's just not happening. Right here. That butter sauce is really good. Has a perfect amount of spiciness. I'd actually like it a little bit spicier, but my husband won't eat it. He really likes my sauce. I shouldn't say my sauce, because it's pretty familiar to a lot of other people's sauces. It's not OG or anything. Alright, let's see. Let's see. So I want to give a shout out to my niece Corinne. Every time I use I can't help but to think about her. Because she was so sweet. And watching my videos, oh my gosh, I got it on my face. And seeing my struggle. Ooh, you guys, I put a little bit of parsley and some butter sauce. I wanted to make it look Christmassy. Ooh, child. Ooh, I feel like a pro now. Add a little bit of lemon on it. Yes. This one, me hand this for you. That's beautiful. That is so tasty. Little bones. I think that's what they are. I don't really know. What I do know is that it's good. Oh man. Ooh! Did you see that? Oh, I'm excited now. Maybe I'll get another one. Oh! Oh, it's looky now. Well, now I'm excited. Well, because I really suck at opening these up. Not today, boo. Not today. Let me hint, this is so good. Look at, I haven't even wiped my hands a lot. I don't know how this video is going to come out, but I hope that it's working. That's my hope. Oh, I got a whole piece. Woo-wee. Yes, we're going to put some lemon on this. Oh, yes. That's for you. Do I even have lipstick on? I'm almost done. Actually, I can eat a whole nother one. That's the truth. My second one. My second whole one. I feel like I won the jackpot. The lotto. You have to play the lotto in order to win it. I don't play it. Okay, you guys. My time with you has been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. It's time for me to go. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Pray that you have a wonderful Friday evening. Happy birthday, Mr. B, my brother, Big B. And don't forget, you don't ever have to eat alone. You can always have breakfast, lunch, or dinner with your girl. Until next time, family. Bye.